I'm going to show you how to set up Parsec. So the first thing you will need to do is download and install the Parsec app, and then you will need to sign into an account. And if you don't have one, you can go to parsec.app, and from here you can basically click on the login button, and you can create an account by clicking on the sign up here, and it will require email, username, and password. And once you have an account, you can go back to the app and sign into your account here. Now you should be ready to start using the app. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the settings and then click on the host tab. From here, make sure hosting is set to enabled if you want to connect to this computer from other computers or devices. And then you can scroll down and adjust the bandwidth limit to 25, which is recommended value. You can adjust this up or down depending on your need. Now in the client tab from the top here, you want to make sure that the renderer is set to direct 3D 11 if you're experiencing issues with the 12 or the Vulkan. And you can also turn off the VSync and make sure you're using GPU decoder. And if you don't have a decent GPU, you can switch this to software and turn this on, the H265 HEVC, and you should be pretty much done on the settings. Now you can go back to the computers tab, and from here you can click on the share button, and this should give you a link which you can copy and send it to the other device that wants to connect to this computer and vice versa. Now from your other devices or this device connecting to others, you want to paste this URL link here at the bottom right. And once you paste it, you can press the join button to join the other device that is a host. And that should start the session immediately, and you can start controlling the other device and the audio and a bunch of other settings. You can also go to the Friends tab and add a friend and invite the other device that might have a different account by typing the name or the ID here and add it as a friend. And whenever you want to join it, you simply go to this list and join the device from the friends list directly without sending the invite manually. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.